Cassidy, quick tips with Cassidy. Whoop, whoop. All right, I'm going to show you how to use the differentiation template to kind of help you differentiate for your students using a Google form. So this is very basic, and you're going to need to add a lot of things to this and go from there and see if there's something you want to use. But basically what happens is you add a question in. You make a multiple choice question, and then you hit the more button down here, and you click go to section based on answer, and you're going to want to shuffle the option order. The reason is if you use this exactly how it is, then every time your right answer will be first, and your kids will pick up on that. So then if you shuffle it, then you don't have to worry about moving it. So it's already set up to go to the correct section. So if they pick the right answer, they go on to section 3 and they skip over question 1 intervention. They go right to here. But if they choose one of the wrong answers, then they'll go to the question 1 intervention. And here's where you can give directions of what they should do. You can add helpful images using the toolbar over here where you can insert an image. You can insert a helpful video about like what they should be learning about. So you can use that using the add video tool over here, or you can even just type in some text using the add text or title description thing and add that. Finally, what I would do is I would add at least 1, if not 2 or 3 questions that they have to answer based on their new understanding to show. And then from there, you're once again going to click down here, hit go to sections based on answer, and choose which section they go to. So what I've done for this template is I just set up a 5-question quiz and what would happen after each question. What you can do is you can decide, okay, so if they get question 2 or question 1 right, does that mean that that's worth 4 points? And then if you put 3 questions in here, are each one of these worth 1 point? Then that way they can kind of build some of those points back. And then you'll have to do some tricky math at the end. But basically, the idea is that they're just going to certain sections based on their answer, and then they can show their understanding by going through their interventions. How I created a section is over here. If I click on this bottom part over here, it'll say add section. So I go to where I want that section. So if I want a new one at the end, click on this question, make sure that the cursor's there, hit add section, and it's going to put it there. Okay. At the end, I'm going to get rid of this because I don't need that. At the end, right here, if you notice for question 5, I clicked on go to submit form. Otherwise, they go to the question 5 intervention. So I want to make sure that I include those things for that. All right. Hopefully that was helpful, and thank you very much.